Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer. For those who are new, welcome. And for those who are back, welcome back y'all. I invite you to subscribe if you have not yet done so. We talk about luxury beauty here, all things new, great staple items and everything in between. I love it so much. It's just our very happy, joyful place here, and I just really enjoy it so much. Today we have something very special because we are going to be talking about this brand new Dior Quint. You guys know, if you have seen me talk about these Dior Quints, you know I'm kind of obsessed. And I don't say that often, honestly. There's so much makeup out there, but you guys, these Quints, I just have a sweet, sweet place in my heart for these Quints, you guys. I don't know, I just really enjoy the formula, and it's very consistent. I am very pleased with the ones I've tried so far. And spoiler alert, this one's just as good. It's just as good. Now, I picked up this Denim Quint. And honestly, I would have never picked this blue eyeshadow palette up. I mean, I am a neutrals girl through and through, but my husband, I said, hey, let's do something fun. How about you pick the next color that I get, because I do love these Quints so much. I really want to try other shades and things. And he said, get this one. And I said, what? No. Are you serious? I'm like, and he said, yeah. Try something different. So that's what we're doing today. I honestly still have no idea if I like blue on my eyes. I have to be frank about that and very honest. The formula, the shadows, oh, they blend easily. The color is pigmented. Blues are hard. Blues are really hard to formulate, you guys. And these, they're amazing. I'm very impressed. I will say these are $62, 62 US dollars. I purchased mine from, this one I purchased from Belk. Actually, they were having a 20% off. So I decided to get this one there. But they are, you know, at many different retailers. But I will say, when I've looked at different retailers, they all carry different ones. So if you're looking for a specific one, I would definitely look at different retailers if that particular retailer you went to first didn't have it, which is quite odd, honestly. I don't know if some are exclusive to certain retailers, which may be the case. So I'd have to look that up more. But we're gonna try this on today. I created 2 looks for you guys. Let me know down in the comments below after you watch this which one you like better. I'm curious to know, what Dior Quint do you want to see next? Because I want to try another one because they're so good. So yeah, so we're gonna do that today. I really appreciate you watching. Let's get into the first look. I primed my lids with the Hourglass Veil Eye Primer. That's what this eye primer looks like. I really enjoyed that. And then I went in with my La Mer powder and just set them just so that I have a very clean, non-tacky base to start with. I am going to start all over the lid with this shade here. It's that center shade, and it's the only kind of neutral shade in the palette. So I'm going all over the lid just to kind of get a little bit of a base all over the lids, because I really want to try to use the blues. I did a look the other day where I used the blue as an eyeliner and actually looked really cool. Something different. I've never really done that before. So I was really excited to try something new and different. Now, like I said before, my husband picked this palette out, and y'all, I'm scared to death of blue. Not scared of it, but you know what I mean. I've never really used a lot of blue, and I'm not quite sure if I like it, or, you know, I don't know. We'll see. I'm taking more of a dense brush. This is the Jumbo Blender by Sonia G, and I think I'm just gonna go for it. We're going for it. With this right here, I'm just going to tap, and we're going in. I'm going in the crease here, and we are going to see what this looks like. And if the blue's so hard, you guys, so does the blue work in this palette? And I will tell you it does. I hate to break it to you, but it's really nice. Just a beautiful blue, guys. Look at that. I mean, absolutely stunning. It's so cool and so different. I mean, for me personally, now would I wear this on the daily. Probably not, just because, I don't know. I like more neutral tones during the day. I could see this being something fun to wear like an evening or evening look or something like that. So a little bit of fallout, and see how the blue is tricky. Working with blue is sometimes, that's why I'm so not scared of it, but a little more nervous about it, because I don't want to, like, I don't know, I don't want to look like I've been punched in the face either. But I'm going in. I'm building it up, guys. We're gonna see how this goes. These aren't first impressions, by the way, y'all. I've used this before, but I will say that I may have not created this particular look before. Kind of cool. I think with this kind of eyeshadow look though, the final look really makes a big difference. Just going in there, and then I'm gonna use probably this shade here and going over kind of right here to give it just a little bit more depth. And y'all, this is probably gonna look very blue for me personally. You know what? I might as well just do it. Go for the whole lid. Because this is supposed to be that shimmer, celestial, pretty shade. Formula is fantastic. Look at this. It's just gliding right on. The color is phenomenal. It's not patchy at all. I mean, I think that's what I'm going to do today. I'm glad I did not go in at all with my foundation because I can just wipe this away. All right, y'all. So this is the final look with the eyeshadow. Still trying to get used to the whole blue eyeshadow thing. I have to be honest. I don't know. It's weird seeing myself with blue eyeshadow on for some reason. But this is a first look with this palette. Let's get into the second look, shall we? For the second look, maybe we'll do something a little different. Let's start with the blue here. Now this is a brighter blue. I just took off the eyeshadow that I had on and actually went in with the eye primer again, the Hourglass one, just so that I could have a base. So I think I'm going to take this middle shade, and I'm going to take the middle shade and just put it kind of in the inner right here, and keep going like right here. I mean, that shade alone is gorgeous, but I want to use this shade here, and I'm trying to think of how I should use this shade. Let's see. Do I want to pack it on? Let's pack it on. Let's just play. Let's just play. Kind of packed it into my brush. So I'm taking the mini booster, and I think that brush will be better for me, so I can get really precise in how I want this to look. Ooh, I like that one. I really like that a lot. It's almost like that is pretty. Y'all, this brush makes the biggest difference. This is that mini booster in the Sky set by Sonia G. So what I did was I took what was left on this brush originally and just kind of went over to highlight the brow bone, but it also blended it really well. It's almost like this blue-green, you guys. It is so cool. I love this shade, you guys. It is really cool. Oh my gosh, that's so neat. Very different for me personally. I really didn't have that much fallout either. Wow, I'm quite impressed. You know, considering it's a very pigmented shadow, wow. Next, I think I'm gonna go in with this blue right here. I kind of just want to leave it like this. I love the shift in this. I think it's just so cool. But I am gonna go in with this shade here and maybe line the eyes. Let's see what that looks like. It's bright. Just maybe like right there at the very edge. That's really cool too. Oh my gosh, I'm really liking this. See, I think I like the look a little better like this rather than a whole lot of blue on my eye, like really dark. So a little bit of fallout, well, a good bit of fallout when I try to go under my eye, but I'm just gonna put a little bit more of my foundation under there to clean it up and then we'll be good. Okay, you guys, this is the second look from the Dior Denim palette. So what do you think? I'm still getting used to this like blue, you guys. It's so bright and so different because I'm usually a neutral girl in a lot of ways, but stepping out of my comfort zone, trying something new and different. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let's take a look at the second look. Y'all, let me know which look you like best. I'm curious to know. Like I said, I'm still getting used to the blue, but the quality of these shadows, you guys, and the pigmentation is superb. It is amazing. I think these Dior Quints are stellar. Stellar staples. They are beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. It means so much to me. I really appreciate you all. Don't forget to like and comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you here. And I'll leave my latest video right here and I'll see you there. Bye y'all.